This is it, boys and girls. This is the last day of writing your essay. My name is Mrs. Wade, and I'm going to talk to you about the last thing that you need to do to finish your essay. When you start your journal entry for today, you need to make sure to include the date, the month, the day, and the year. I have re-included the 5 parts of a sentence because, again, today you're going to be writing more of your essay, just one sentence, but still, you need the 5 parts of a sentence for that sentence. So make sure your sentence today that you write has a subject, a verb, a capital letter, an end mark, and it makes sense. Make sure to copy your plan and all that you've written for your essay so far from the previous lesson into today's journal entry. And then when you look at it, your plan should be nice and colorful. All of it, in fact, should be colored. Then I imagine your essay down below is probably looking pretty long. And that's great. Today, we're going to be adding one more sentence to conclude our essay. And do you know what sentence that's going to be? Our conclusion. Very good. I went ahead and wrote my conclusion in purple down here just so that you could see and be reminded of what a conclusion is. Remember, a conclusion reminds our reader of the topic. So I need to make sure that I go back and mention McDonald's since I'm writing about McDonald's. If you're writing about your favorite season, you need to make sure that you go back and mention your favorite season. I also included in my conclusion the 3 big ideas. My conclusion says, so if you want hearty food, a scrumptious dessert, and fantastic service, McDonald's should be your choice. I went and mentioned my topic, McDonald's, and I mentioned 3 big ideas. I mentioned food, dessert, and service. And those were the 3 big ideas as to why McDonald's is my favorite. And that's how you're going to write a conclusion today. You're going to make sure you remind your reader about what you're writing about and remind your reader of those 3 reasons that you came up with why it's your favorite. Or if you wrote about the best activities to stay in shape, you're going to remind your reader what those 3 best activities to stay in shape are. That is all you're doing for today, and then you are done writing your essay. So please take your time and do your absolute best to make sure that your essay is the absolute best that it can be. Good luck, take your time, and get creative.